Welcome everybody to another day trip out of Port Ludlow, Washington. I'm Bryan Diehl, and thank you for joining me as I take you up the island of Whidbey, across to Anacortes, down to LaConnor, and watch the sunset at Deception Pass. We're going to be looking at the most beautiful parts of Island County, Whidbey Island, Anachortes, LaConnor. It's a lot of country, can't see it all, so we're just going to look at the best parts. This is Langley Marina in downtown Langley, down on the southeast side of Whidbey Island. Such a wonderful place to watch the sunrise. Those are the Cascade Mountains to the east. Yachts at anchor, popular spot all summer long. Today we've got so much ground to cover that after leaving Langley, we're going to go right by Coupeville, right by Oak Harbor, and straight up to Cap St. Marina in Anacortes, Washington. Anacortes is located on Fidalgo Island, and it is considered the gateway to the San Juan Islands. Washington State ferries take you to Shaw and Orcas, Lopez, San Juan, and Victoria. There's also a Guaymas Island ferry. Right now we're looking at Anacortes Marina. So now we're back to Cap St. and the north end of Anacortes. This is the business district, the historic downtown area. Great place to sail into if you're up sailing around the San Juans. The whole area is flat. They've got bicycles right there for you at the marina. You can tour the whole area on the bicycles. I did another video that's actually a 360 video on my one wheel all around downtown, Old Town, Anacortes. There'll be a link to that at the end of this video. Be sure to watch it, it's a lot of fun. So that was Cap St. Now we're going to head out into the neighborhoods and get a look at some of the old houses along the old downtown area of Anacortes. This is really a neat town to just cruise around on your bicycle or even walk. A lot of history there. Now this is not a paid plug, but my wife and I did stay here at the Majestic, and we had a wonderful stay, 2 nights. Just a great place to stay. So if you're looking for a place, highly recommend the Majestic. Great breakfast in the downstairs cafe. Wonderful, true harbor town. Really a nice place to hang out. Ahead of us, just beyond the channel there, that's Swinomish Island. Now we're heading down the Swinomish Channel. This runs between Anacortes and the Saratoga Passage, which runs between Whidbey Island and the mainland. And this is LaConnor, which is located about halfway through the Swinomish Channel. This is also a wonderful place to stop. There are dockside restaurants, a great town to walk around. Again, if you've got scooters or bicycles, nice flat area, nice place to spend the day. One more swing around LaConnor, just because it's a really beautiful town to look at. This is also the home of the Tulip Festival in springtime. Beautiful tulip fields as far as the eye can see. Now we head up to one of my favorite little hidden spots. So kind of a bedroom community with a great little marina and really unbelievable fishing spots. This is Cornet Bay. And out of Cornet Bay, if you go straight north, you find yourself on Deception Pass. Tricky currents through here, but it's such a beautiful spot, and despite the tricky currents, it's generally safe. What you're looking at there is the beautiful masterpiece of a bridge, the Deception Pass Bridge. Great place to watch the sunset. On the other side of the bridge and off to the south or the left is Deception Pass State Park, one of the most popular state parks in Washington State. and one of the best parks to go hike on beaches. Park runs on both sides of that bridge there, north and south. And now back down to Cornet Marina. Where we will watch the sunset on our little day trip. Time to head back and find the ferry. In the meantime, here's some of the snapshots that I took along the way. I would encourage you to take a few days. If you start at Coupeville, go down to Langley, work your way up, maybe lunch at Coupeville, go see historic Oak Harbor and the beach park there. Enjoy your trip. There's a lot of neat things to see here. I'm Bryan Diehl. As always, thanks for watching.